I am in a student's role now. As a student, when I click on the left icons, I can see Moodle for Teachers, Participants, Badges, Competencies, Grades, Overview, Weekly Badges, Create Video Tutorials, Week 1, Week 2. As a student, my first choice would be Grades. I click on Grades, and I can see my grades for each assignment. Next, I would click on Overview. Overview. To understand what I should complete in this section. Next, I think students will go to week 1. Week 1. To complete week 1 activities. Later, I think as a student, I will check other blocks.